Hi. Today I'll discuss the interview experience at IIT Bhubaneswar in mathematics department. So what questions they asked and so the starting in beginning just the first question as usual is introduction. So second question they asked, so introduction, then your area of interest. So area of interest, like I will discuss in the field of probability and statistics. So in the when you say probability and statistics, so then they will ask the question from this area. So the question they started with, do you know Poisson random variable? So obviously yes. Then they started with, then we have sequence of Bernoulli random variable. Then the question they asked, suppose xi is sequence of Bernoulli random variable. So let's say p. So sorry, 1 comma p. They given this Bernoulli random variable, like they said, x has a probability at 0 is 1 minus 10 raised to power minus 4, then probability at x is equal to 1 is 10 raised to power minus 4. So what can you say about Sn? Xi I from 1 to n. So xi are actually Bernoulli random variable, and the small p what I'm using is this one, and this is 1 minus p. So what can you say about Sn? So we all know Sn will be binomial, and they also give us n is 2000. Okay, so consider n is 2000. So in that case, what will be distribution of Sn? So Sn will be n comma p. Okay, so n is 2000, then you can write simply binomial 2000 comma 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, this is the distribution Sn has. Then they said, how will you approximate Sn using central limit theorem? And can it be approximated to Poisson? So since Sn has the distribution binomial, so the question was, how will you apply the central limit theorem in this, and how will you approximate to the Poisson? So like, so you know, Sn minus expectation of Sn upon variance of Sn, or use square root, or is this. So this has the distribution this z, where z is the normal 0 1 for n is very large. Okay, this is for large n. So this, and the other way, like we can also approximate binomial to the Poisson. We'll take, suppose Sn will have distribution Poisson lambda. We are approximating to lambda, so lambda will be n comma p, where n should be large and p should be small enough. So this they are. So then Sn can be approximated to this Poisson lambda. And then they started with testing of hypothesis. Testing of hypothesis. So they asked us, what is multiple testing of hypothesis? Something like this. Multiple hypothesis testing. And they asked critical reason, and how do you test the hypothesis? Like they also asked, how do you test the hypothesis? Hypothesis. Then the second teacher started with what is axiomatic definition of probability. So axiomatic definition of probability. Then what is a random variable, and then what is distribution function of random variable, distribution function of random variable. Then they gave us, suppose x has distribution function, let me call it like x has distribution function CDF as this, and y has distribution function as g of y of y. Okay, so what can you say about this one? Alpha time fx of x plus 1 minus alpha time gy of y. So first question is it, oh sorry, in place of y it will write x. So in place of here y it is x. So this function, let us call it simply fx. So what can you say about the, let's call z. Okay, so question is whether is a distribution function. The first question is it a distribution function, and alpha is between 0 and 1. So question is it distribution function, and answer is yes. So tell me about z. So what type of random variable z is? So since it is a convex combination of two distribution function, so in general you can say z is mixed type random variable. Mixed type random variable. So like random variable can be classified into three parts, like continuous, discrete, and then third is the mixed type. So the mixed type random variable will have this type of distribution function. Yes, so this was the only interview questions. And that's all. Yeah, thank you everyone.